Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Cardi B is on Jamaican soil. The international rapper is currently on the island working on her new project with internationally acclaimed Jamaican producer Russian. The Bodak Yellow hitmaker also took to Instagram, posting a story bearing the caption, "On my way to Jamaica." Cardi and her team arrived on the island last evening, and of course, she shared with fans a clip from the view of the villa where she's staying in Port Antonio.
Jamaica.
What we doing?
We're doing this video shoot for Osuna. It's hot.
Reggae artist Chuck Fender prepares to kickstart his Concrete Jungle tour. The reggae firebrand makes his very first stop in Puerto Rico on November 4 to wrap performances on November 18. The European leg of the tour extends throughout the month of December. The Living Fire Chuck Fender will perform in European cities across Germany and Italy. From the racetrack to the video set, there is just no slowing down for Bolt. Sprint legend Usain Bolt, along with dancer and model Yendi Phillips, are the fresh faces in an endorsement ad for Mum Champagne. The high-tempo commercial sees the two stars dancing to an Afrocentric beat while the champagne is being served. The commercial was posted on both Bolt's and Phillips's Instagram pages. Now, last November, the 9-time Olympic gold medalist was appointed Mum Champagne's CEO, that's Chief Entertainment Officer, for its multi-million-dollar promotional campaign. GH Mum produces over 8 million bottles annually and is ranked 4th in champagne production around the world. On the international scene, Michael Jackson's son Prince was yesterday involved in a traffic accident. He was taken to hospital after suffering from knee injuries and multiple lacerations. Prince was treated and released. It's reported that Prince was on his way to classes at the University of Loyola Marymount when the incident occurred.
What's going on, everybody? So I'm at home, I'm resting, I'm recovering. First, I'd like to thank the first responders and the UCLA Harbor medical staff. They took great care of me and they made sure everything that needed to be done got done. And also thank you guys for all your concern and reaching out and saying if I'm okay. I really appreciate it.
Prince is Michael's eldest of 3 children. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching and enjoy your weekend.